Now, we're gonna add more to it, and we're gonna add a bit more rules to it as well, okay? So, to me, when I talk about arms, I include hands and also shoulder, yeah? If you need to grab something, or most of the time when you are doing something, even if you grab it with your hand, for example, but you are actually also using your shoulder, yeah? So it's part of the whole thing. So I do not separate them. Now, we're gonna start dancing and thinking that shoulder is the leader. Now, our shoulder is the leader, yes? So instead of starting your movement this way, maybe you're gonna start thinking of starting it this way, you see? So maybe the trigger gonna be your shoulder and then the rest will follow. But we still keep in mind the same principle, which is I wanna keep my natural way of moving all the time. That makes sense? So also, your shoulder can be technical and it can also be organic, yeah? So you can vary between both. Do the one that feels comfortable for you, yeah? So I'm gonna put the music and I'm gonna start. And the reason why I dance with you guys as well is just to kind of give, if in a way, if that could give you ideas or inspire you, then it's a good thing, yeah? Because when I take a class, I go to also watch the teacher because I can learn a lot from that as well, yeah? Don't want your heart, don't want your love. I want the head, I want the tongue. Who put the pussy in the coffin and make it rise to down above? You would be down on all occasions. I fuck the sense about your pain. Don't call me darling, call me crazy. No need to thank me, yours for the taking. But you know it. Going down in the morning. Only one way to show it. Turn around, let me go it. Let your head down, side kiss.